Ever wondered what happened when black meets a burst of rainbow? Stay with me, you're about to find out. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're letting colors dance across the canvas in the most unexpected way. Started with a black base coat, then layered white puddles across the canvas. On each puddle, I poured rainbow shades with a sprinkle of gold. Using my blow dryer, I guided the colors to flow organically. Life isn't just black and white, it's filled with shades and sparkles. This pour reminds me that even in darkness, there's always light trying to break through. And wait until you see how these colors bloom when the white pulls back. Pure magic. This is your reminder, no matter how dark it feels, your colors are still there, waiting to pour out. Look at that, a galaxy full of colors, a true rainbow moment. If this inspired you, give it a like, subscribe for more art, and remember, stay creative and keep painting.